In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with any kind of repair and maintenance expenses that is paid by cash. So we have a transaction of 14th of January which says repair expenses for office building paid by cash. And the total amount is 55,000. Now in Odoo, we have an awesome functionality that you can enter any journal entry by using cash or bank accounts as well. So click on accounting and click on accounting again, click on journal entries, click on new. And here we just enter a simple reference, that is this, because on the top we automatically have the reference as well. So date is 14th of January and debit should be repair and maintenance expenses. Click on search more. If we don't find the repairs directly, just remove that. To find a suitable area, we click on search more and we scroll down to the expenses section. On 614, we need to create a new account. So click on new, 614-000. This is repair and maintenance account. It goes under expenses, all set. Click on save and now we are back on the main screen. If you want to disable the partners, you can disable it from here. Just click here and uncheck this because we are only going to use label. Copy and paste. The debit is 55,000 and the credit is cash, and the narration I'll just copy and paste the same and remove the extra spaces. We have the debit and credit now. The entry is done. Click on post, and once it is posted, the entry is done. Click on the journal entries and here you can see your entry right here in the date sequence. So this is how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.